Vi är här på IKEA. IKEA is a Swedish furniture store that recently opened in the Philippines. They also have bistro and restaurant. Food they offer are usually guilt-free. We usually order the veggie hot dog, but today we wanted to try their breakfast menu. Everything here is self-service. These are the food that we ordered, which cost for only 600 pesos. The good thing about their food, it's less oil, so it's preferable by health-conscious people, especially our seniors. For the food that we ordered, we have salmon, veggie Swedish bowls, garlic bread, plain pandesal, pasta, fresh salad, mushroom soup, and egg. Pag wala pang tao, pag mag-aga kayo, mga 9 o'clock ng umaga. Tuesday. Pila na kayo agad.
February 22? February 22?
Ah.
Ha? 2022.
Cheers. Yan, nabos na yung food namin. Of course, you also try their self-service ice cream for our dessert. Tack för att ni varit med oss idag. Ses i vår nästa video. Hej då, till our next video.